Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Metropolitan Foundation School. My name is Ms. Noreen and I will teach you science. Okay students, first of all, we start unit number 12, heat. This chapter is included in the month of September. It is second chapter of month of September. Now, first of all, discuss what is heat. Heat is a form of energy. I give you some example. By the help of this example, you can easily understand the term heat. When we rub our hands, they become warm. When we rub two pieces of iron or stone, they also become warm. When we use soap for cutting wood, they become warm during this action. All these examples, heat is produced and it generates energy. This example shows heat is a form of energy. In these cases, mechanical energy is converted into heat energy. In second paragraph, we give you example of some chemicals. For example, when we burn coal, wood, petrol or kerosene oil, heat is produced. In this way, chemical energy converted into heat energy. When we burn all these chemicals like coal, petrol, kerosene oil, they also produce heat. This example shows that chemical energy is converted into heat energy. In third paragraph, we study different forms of energy. For example, in a steam engine, coal is present. When we burn this coal, it produces mechanical energy. And this mechanical energy is used for pulling a train. Now we study another example. When we convert chemical energy into heat energy. Let us see some examples. When a candle burns in air, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Let's see some examples of some appliances. For example, electrical heater. This electrical heater is operated with electricity. This electrical energy is converted into heat and light. All these examples shows that heat is a form of energy. Now we discuss second topic of this chapter, temperature. What is temperature? When we touch a hot object, our hand becomes warm because heat flow from the object to our hand. Students, you can observe when we touch hot object, our hands become warm. Why it is done? Because heat flow from the object. This object is warm and heat flow from this object to our hand. Therefore, our hand become warm. The temperature of the object is higher than our hand. Now, we take some example. Another example. If we touch a piece of ice, we feel cold because the temperature of the ice is lower than our hand. So, what is temperature? We can easily define temperature. It is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. When object is heated, the temperature rises. When object is cold, the temperature decreases. Now students, next we discuss measurement of temperature. The name of scientist is Galileo. This scientist developed an instrument is called thermometer. What is thermometer? Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature. This device is called thermometer, and this thermometer is developed by a scientist named Galileo. Now, what is thermometer? In this heading we discuss different types of thermometer and different chemicals that is used to manufacturing thermometer. There are different types of thermometer. In different thermometer, different chemicals are used. For example, alcohol and mercury. Alcohol and mercury are chemicals. It is generally used in making of thermometer. Between these two chemicals, mercury is preferred because of the following reasons. Number one, mercury is silvery white liquid and it can be read easily. It can be seen easily and it can be read very easily. Number two, it does not stick to the wall of the thermometer. Number three, it has uniform contraction and expansion. When temperature is rise, it become expand. When temperature is decrease, it become contract. Next, its specific heat is low and it can be obtained in pure form. For this reason, we use mercury in thermometer. Now, look at this picture. In this picture, you can see thermometer and different scales. First of all, we discussed temperature scales. The most commonly used temperature scale is Celsius and Fahrenheit. What is Celsius and Fahrenheit? It is temperature scale. Look at this picture. In this picture, degree Celsius scale, C stand for Celsius scale and F stand for Fahrenheit scale. It can be read degree Celsius scale. It can be read degree Fahrenheit. Okay. There are two scale of temperature. Number 1 Celsius and number 2 Fahrenheit scale. First of all, we discuss Celsius scale. Its name indicates this scale was made by a scientist named Celsius. This scale has 2 points. Number 1 lower fixed point and number 2 upper fixed point. Lower fixed point is taken 0 degree Celsius. It starts from 0 degree Celsius. Lower fixed point, it is called lower fixed point, and upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius. Now look at this picture. In this picture, Celsius scale is visible. You can easily look this scale in this picture. This scale, in this scale, it is lower fixed point, and lower fixed point starts from 0 degree Celsius, and it is upper fixed point. Upper fixed point and for n into 100 degree Celsius. Between 0 degree Celsius and 100 degree Celsius, 100 divisions is made. This is Celsius scale. The normal body temperature, human body temperature, we can measure in Celsius scale is 37 degrees Celsius. Now, we discuss another scale, temperature scale, that is Fahrenheit scale. This is another temperature scale. F represents Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. This is Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale, this scale was developed by a scientist named Fahrenheit, and it is represented by degree Fahrenheit. It is 3 degree Fahrenheit, yeah, degree Fahrenheit. It has 2 points. Lower fixed point, its lower fixed point is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit. इसका जो लोअर फिक्स पॉइंट होता है वो 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये, एंड अपर फिक्स पॉइंट इज 212 degree Fahrenheit. Look at this picture. In this picture, Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit. It is lower fixed point, and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. They start 32 degree Fahrenheit and end up to 212 degree Fahrenheit. This scale can be used by doctors in clinic, and the normal body temperature we determine by Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. The normal human body temperature we can measure by the Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Between lower fixed point and upper fixed point, lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit, upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Between these 2 points, 180 divisions is made. This Fahrenheit is commonly used by the doctors in clinic, and the normal body temperature which can determined by the Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay students, I hope you can understand this topic. You can feedback in your class group.